Hi everyone. Today's video is going to be on how to record in PowerPoint. Mr. Moore was telling me that there are some people that seem to be a little bit nervous about presenting live, so we want to give you the option to record your presentation and you can turn it in that way. So here's how to do it. It's pretty simple. I'm going to use a PowerPoint that I used last year. It might look familiar to you because I showed it to some of you in your 7th grade math class. All right, so when I first open it up, it always will look like this, right? You've got all of your normal things here, right? And lo and behold, here's this button, recording. So I'm going to click on that. Now, I have my presentation all done. You could decide to create one slide and record it, create one slide and record it. Or you could create your whole presentation and then record it all at once. Totally up to you. All right, so in here, really, I'm just going to use this button, Record Slideshow. So here we go. It'll look like this. So there are a couple of things, obviously. Big red button, that's record. Now, if you want to, let me get out of here. Well, not. If you want to, down at the bottom, there are, oops, sorry, wrong bottom. There is a spot where you can write in notes. And then, so like if I click on this notes part, see down here, I can click in the notes. So, hello, everyone. I am Miss Neiman. All right, so I've added just a quick note in there. But when I go to record the slide, if I want, I can show my notes. So then really what you could do is you could have your notes just here, sitting here, and you could read right from them as you record. You decide. You can also, I don't want to have my notes, so I'm going to hide those, but you can also show a little bit of yourself by using the video. So, and I'm not going to use this when I go to record because I haven't done my hair or my makeup today, so I'm looking pretty grim, but just very closely. Here I am, a little dark. Let me move my laptop. So here I am, right? So when I record, I can show that. And let's say you want that to appear in your recording, but you don't actually want to see yourself because that's creepy, or you find yourself looking down at the picture like this instead of looking at the camera like this. So you could always just turn off the preview, but still be recording yourself. Like I said, I have not done my hair and makeup, so not camera ready. All right, here we go. So like I said, here's my first slide. And so all I'm going to do is press record. Give me a countdown. And I say, hi everyone, this is Miss Neiman, and the purpose of my PowerPoint today is to introduce myself as your 7th grade math teacher. And I can just stop right there and then go to the next slide. So it's kind of nice. You don't have to continually speak. You can stop the recording, go to your next slide, and then record again. So give myself another countdown, breathe, and then up comes the slide. Here's a slide on my teaching practice. And so you can just talk through the slide. So let's say, let me stop it real quick. Clear my throat. But let's say you want to say, oh gosh, I wonder how that sounds and how it came out. Well, all I have to do is press the replay button and it'll replay for me. All right, I'm going to stop it there. Now, also, okay, so we record by pressing the record button. You stop the recording anytime you want, whether it's in between or separate, anytime you want, and then you click replay to test it out. Now, let's say I did not like the recording on that first slide, and so I can just come up here to the clear button, and I can either clear the recording on the current slide, or all the slides. And so I'm just going to do it on the current slide. And I'm going to re-record this one. Here we go. Hi, this is Miss Neiman, and the purpose of this PowerPoint today is to introduce myself as your 7th grade math teacher. Wonderful. You can also do things, so let me skip to another slide. You can also, if for some reason you want to kind of mark up or annotate your presentation, maybe you want to highlight some things as you go, you can do that too. So down here you can see there is an eraser button, a pen, and a highlighter. I've decided I'm going to pick the highlighter, and I've picked this yellow color. So here's what that'll look like. I count down. And here is my family. So my family consists of my dad, my mom, my brother, and my 2 older brothers. It's kind of nice here on the touch screen. I can also circle things. I can change colors if I want to, right? Just kind of decorate it up. And I'll stop the recording. So let's say you're all finished. You're done recording. So now I am going to press escape to escape out of this recording mode. And now I can, anytime, so that my recordings are saved, and you can tell they're there because look, here's the little thing, and I can even play it right here. Okay, don't need to listen to my voice a lot, but so I know it's recorded. And then I can save the show. I can export it to video. So I could, make a video of it. I can publish it to Stream, which is Microsoft's way video thing. Or I can just leave this saved presentation, send it to my teacher, and submit it. So I hope that helps on how to record your PowerPoint presentation. Thanks, everyone.